In this video, we'll be covering understanding and using your task board. You can view your company's complete task board by clicking the task board icon on the left-hand side. If your company doesn't have any task categories or task resources created, please view the administrative setup video tutorial. There will be a link to that video posted in the description below. Your Kanban-style task board offers a simple way to organize and track job tasks, providing a clear and complete, at-a-glance view of all the tasks that need to be done. Your task board is a workflow management tool that helps your team stay organized and focus on what's important, while providing visibility into the progress of each of your jobs in a way that's simple and easy to understand. The task board shows all your currently active jobs that have tasks associated with them. Jobs are displayed as collapsible, expandable rows, and tasks are displayed per your task categories in collapsible, expandable columns. Columns, task categories, can be reordered as desired by clicking on each column heading's three-dot link. You can restrict your view of tasks to only those associated with certain selected jobs by using the job search box at the top left. Search for and select as many jobs as you want, and then click the View Selected Jobs Only button to view only their tasks. There are also filter options available to view only specific types of tasks, as well as sort options, a reset, and the option to view your task board in full screen mode. You can also search for text found in specific task labels or descriptions by using the Search Tasks box located above the task category headings. Clicking on an existing task opens the Details window where task specifics can be managed. To add a new task, click the plus symbol in the appropriate column, task category, for the desired job, and add task specifics in the Details window. Remember that tasks given either a start or an end date will also appear on your calendar. Individual tasks can be moved between columns by clicking and dragging them, and you can duplicate or delete a task by clicking on its three vertical dot link. And that's all the information you'll need to know to manage your task board. If you need assistance, our awesome support team is always glad to help. We can be reached at 800-558-3054 or by emailing VCGSupport@vcgcorporate.com.